Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dissect corporate filings so you don't have to. Today we're diving into Retractable Technology's latest Form 8K report. It's not full of exploding gadgets like James Bond, but there is some news about dividends that might make shareholders feel a bit shaken, not stirred. This Form 8K filing from Retractable Technologies tells us about a few important things happening at the company. It's like a quick update they send to the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, when something significant occurs. It's not a complete picture of everything they're doing, but it highlights key events. This report is dated March 28, 2025, so the events discussed happened on or around that date. Keep in mind, this is all information made public back then. First, the company announced their financial results for 2024. This is a big deal because it tells investors how well the company performed over the entire year. We'll get into some more details soon. The company also declared a dividend for shareholders of their Series 2 and Series 3 Class B convertible preferred stock. Basically, they're paying out some profits to these specific investors. This usually means the company has extra cash and wants to reward its shareholders. The filing includes exhibits which are like attachments providing more details. In this case, there are two press releases. One covers the 2024 financial results and the other announces the dividend declaration. Think of these as the company's official announcements about these events. Now let's zoom in on the financials from one of the press releases. This is where we get to see how the company actually performed. Retractable Technologies had revenue of $62.1 million in 2024 compared to $65.3 million in 2023. It seems they earned a bit less money than in the previous year, a drop of around 5%. This is something to keep an eye on. Did they sell less product or were prices lower? These are some questions to ask about this. The company experienced a net loss of $5.5 million in 2024, compared to a net loss of $1.9 million in 2023. Losses are when a company spends more than it earns, so the loss is bigger this year than last year. That's not ideal and needs more investigating. The gross profit percentage was 28.8% in 2024 compared to 29.2% in 2023. This shows how much profit they make from selling their products after subtracting the cost of making them. It's slightly lower, which might be due to higher production costs or lower prices. The second press release highlights the dividend announcement. The company declared a dividend of 78.75 cents per 5 share to the Series 2 and Series 3 Class B convertible preferred stock shareholders. So what does all this mean? Retractable Technologies had a mixed year. Their revenue dipped slightly and their losses increased. However, they are still paying out dividends to some preferred shareholders, which shows some financial strength. The key here is to watch how they address the losses and try to improve revenue in the future. From my perspective, Retractable Technologies faces a couple of key challenges. Their recent financial results reveal some areas of concern. The decrease in revenue and increase in net losses suggests the company may be facing some headwinds, maybe in production costs or less customers buying their stuff. The decision to declare dividends to Series 2 and Series 3 shareholders while operating at a loss may seem contradictory. While it does reward those specific investors, it also could mean the business doesn't have cash to spare. They might need to borrow more and that could hurt the business in the future. However, it is not all bad. The company is paying out dividends, and that may attract investors. Plus, the losses are not huge, and the company might have new ideas that it will use in the future to improve its financial situation. Overall, I keep a close eye on Retractable Technologies. Their ability to manage costs, increase revenue, and navigate their financial challenges will determine their future success. Thanks for tuning in to Corporate Decoder. If you found this analysis helpful, give us a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of corporate filings. Until next time,